Hey bosses, it's Nina. So, of course, I'm all obsessed with IGTV. I actually haven't uploaded anything because I'm creating a strategy for it, but that's neither here nor there. I wanted to talk to you about how to upload videos from your desktop. I do have another video on how to record videos either of your desktop or with your webcam in vertical mode. So I wanted to show you how to upload those. Unfortunately, I do not have the button, so I'm going to show you a workaround. So normally what would happen is if you go to your own profile, here you'll see post and see how you see saved. In between there's supposed to be a button that says IGTV. However, I don't have it. A lot of people don't have it. And so, I always want to find a workaround. So I'm going to show you a workaround that I found. I'm actually going to try it for the first time with you. So if it doesn't work, we'll all know. A little bit about this. This is it's called an Android simulator. I've seen it before. I've checked and it says that it's safe. You can do your own research, but basically it's simulating the Android on your device. And what we're going to do is download Bluestacks. And I'm going to pull over the article. I've seen a couple, but I actually like the way scrollbyte.com does it the best. So please give them a visit. Let them know I sent you. But basically they give instructions on how to download it, how to install it, and all of that. So I'm going to try that now, and we're going to see if this works. I'm going to click on Let's Go. Now, if you didn't see my warnings before, so it keeps on prompting me to turn on my location. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Think of this as your Android app. I was denying it at first, but I kept on getting a pop-up. If you didn't see my warnings before and you're watching this, you need to close everything. I was trying to record as I was doing this, and it takes up a lot of RAM, Bluestacks. So basically the space on your computer that you use as you're using applications. So you want to close everything before you install it and get it started. And then everything ran a little bit slow. So don't worry about it opening slow and moving slow. It's just normal. And then the first time it loads, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Well, it says 2 to 3 minutes. It took about 4 minutes for me to actually load it for the first time. So it's prompting me to log in. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Now that I've logged in, I'm gonna agree to the terms. I'm getting excited, you guys. So let's see what happens. At the top, I can already see like my notifications and things. All right. So remember, this is for it's for gamers. So I'm going to ignore all of the stuff that pops up and just search for IGTV. And I think my apps, it may already be installed. I'm not sure if I could look at the apps that I have. Okay, Instagram, IGTV. There it is. So let's see. I'm going to click on install. Look at that. What's funny is I keep on seeing all of these apps just pop up since they've released. Like there were like 2 before. Now there's like a million. It's installing now. Okay, it says installed. Usually it says open after you. There we go. I click on it and I'm going to go ahead and click on open. Remember, this is the first time I'm doing this, so bear with me. Okay, I'm going to log in with Instagram, and I think I'm going to log into my randomly Nina one because I have some stuff I can upload there. And I think this is a good time to remind you that if you want to follow me on IG, I have 2 different channels. I have Socially Nina, which is all about business ownership, social media marketing, and everything related to that. And then my randomly Nina is about travel, food, hair, and just my life. Okay, so it looks like it's working, so I'm a little juiced at that. I'm going to expand it to the full mode. And as you can see, it has all the buttons here. I did a video on like an overview about what is IGTV. And actually, I'm releasing another one on how to kind of use the app. But, and I'll put those in the top right-hand corner there. But as you can see, these are the same buttons as the desktop. And it looks like I can watch different items here. And I can go to my settings on the right hand side, right? To switch accounts. Look, she's talking about IGTV. I can search. Aha. Okay, I'm gonna search for Socially Nina. So it looks like searching is really slow. I don't know if it's because of the app or because I'm recording the app or what. So try that and let me know if it's slow for you. I'm gonna go on to the other features. So I'm gonna go ahead and click anywhere in here like I would on my phone and click on browse and go to my own profile. And this is usually how you upload. So if I click on upload, drum roll please. Yay, it's gonna allow files. So I'm gonna go through this. I'm just gonna pause it because I don't want you to see the files on my desktop, but give me a second. Okay, I'm getting no videos found. I think I know why that is, and I probably need to do this on my laptop. But one, usually your apps pull from your camera roll, and I do not have a video in there, so I'm gonna move one over. The other thing is I have a little over 100,000 photos. Okay, I had to do some research and I found out that there's one step that I missed. I have to go to import my files into the Bluestacks emulator. So totally nerd stuff. So I'm gonna go to home. Then I'll click on my apps, then system apps, and then settings. Okay. And then after that, I need to import, and where is it? Import Windows files. Now it says it's waiting. Okay, before you actually upload any videos, you do have to upload your images or videos or files to Bluestacks. So what I'm going to do is go into Home, go into System, App, and then Settings. And then I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Import Windows Files. Okay, so I have some videos that I created earlier. This is actually one that I uploaded as a story to my IG. Anyways, my IGTV video is here, so I'm going to go back to my IGTV app. So at the top there are tabs, just like there are in your Internet Explorer or Chrome. So I'm going to go back to IGTV. Click on my profile, and then I'm going to click on Upload Video. And now it should be here. Let me see. Oh, shared folder. There it is. I believe it's in shared folder or media folder. There it is. Ah, I'm getting excited. So I'm going to double click on this. And I'll click on next. And I'm just going to call this IG. Okay, so this video took about 5 or 6 minutes, probably about 5 minutes, closer to 5 minutes to upload. And it's only 22 seconds. So keep in mind, it's going to take a long time, right? So here's my video. I'm assuming it's live on my channel. I'm going to check my phone real quick, and I probably should have done that before I clicked here. So give me a second. Okay, so it is available on my phone, and it is upside down like it is here. I have to figure out how to do it where it's not upside down. I'm pretty sure it's my video. That comes up a lot with my, what's it called? With my images that I take for selfies also. So I'm assuming it's some setting, because I did record this on my phone. The next step would be to look at insights and all of that. In this case, I need to delete it. So I'm just going to click on it. If you click the ellipses, you can copy that. Look at insights to see who viewed it. Probably just me. Hopefully just me, right? Okay, so it says 2 views. It does not say if they're unique views. YouTube tells you if they're unique views. So if I watch this a million times, that's going to be a million views. You want to know if anyone else did. There's also additional information about each of the insights and all of that kind of stuff, audience retention. I'll wait till I have a couple of videos or I start actually using this and create strategies before I kind of take a look at that. But for now, what I'm going to do is delete this. This video was actually sponsored by App Academy. As you can see, they are giving away a full scholarship. Just a little bit about App Academy. People who actually go through their 12-week immersive program actually land some cool jobs, and on average in San Francisco, their jobs are about 100,000. I think in New York it's about 90,000. Either way, you'll be balling in about 12 weeks or as soon as you land that job. What I love is that they have a program that allows you to go to school first, and then after they place you, then you actually pay for your education. So if you have any recent graduates, or if you are a millennial and you're looking for a job, in about 3 months, you'll have the skills to actually nail those high-paying jobs, and you'll be in high demand. Go ahead and check them out. They're giving away a full scholarship. Go ahead and go to sociallynina.com/appacademy to sign up. Let them know I sent you.